for kangaroo, L for lion, M for mouse, N for nest, O for owl, P for pig, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for train, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for whale, X for xylophone,